sit or lie down comfortably. And as you settle, you might notice there is nothing you need to fix, nothing to change, nothing to understand. Because this moment is not about solving anything, it's about allowing. You're not here to get rid of sadness. You are here to allow yourself to feel. And that changes everything. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in. And a long, soft breath out. And again, inhale. And exhale. And as you breathe, you may begin to notice that your body already knows how to soften. With every exhale, your body remembers it can slow down. Breath in and out. And with every exhale, your body goes deeper relaxed. And the more you allow yourself to feel, the less there is to fix. And the less there is to fix, the safer it feels to allow. And the safer it feels to allow, the easier it becomes to soften. And as you soften, you may begin to notice there was never anything to fix, only something to feel. And as you continue breathing in and out, you can let that awareness take you even deeper now. Bring your attention out of your thoughts and into your body. Notice the surface beneath you, the support holding you. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw relax. Let your belly be loose. There is no right way to feel. Whatever is here is welcome. Now gently ask yourself, where do I feel sadness in my body right now? You're not looking for a story. You're not looking for a reason. Only sensation. You may notice it in the chest, the throat, the belly, behind the eyes, or somewhere else. When you find the place, let your attention rest there. And simply stay. Do not change the sensation. Do not push it away. Do not explain it. Just feel it. If it feels heavy, feel this heaviness. If it feels tight, let it be. If it feels empty, feel emptiness. Simply stay for a few moments. Just observe. Say gently inside, I allow myself to feel this. I don't need to hurry. This feeling is allowed. and notice what happens when the body is finally not rushed. Now bring your breath directly into this place. Inhale gently as if the breath could touch the feeling. Exhale slowly as if the body could soften around it. There is no goal. Breath is not here to remove sadness. Breath is here to stay with it. Inhale gently into this place. Exhale slowly, as if saying, I'm here. Inhale. Exhale, softening just a little. Inhale love. Exhale permission. Inhale warmth. Exhale tension. Now, from a place of adulthood and care, speak gently to this part of your body. Say inside, thank you for letting me feel this. Thank you for holding this for so long. You don't have to be hidden anymore. I'm here with you. Let these words land in the body, not the mind. As you continue breathing, notice that something begins to happen naturally. With each exhale, the body lets go of a little tension. Not because you force it, but because it's allowed. Exhale and let the body release what it's ready to release. Inhale, space. Exhale, softening. Stay here for a few breaths. Now gently offer this truth to your nervous system. Feeling is what heals. I don't need to avoid myself. I can allow what is here. Notice how your body receives this. Often what remains is not sadness, but calm, softness, or quiet presence. Begin to bring awareness back to the room around you. Notice sounds, light, your body here. Take one deeper breath in and a full exhale out. Move your fingers, your shoulders, and when you're ready, open your eyes. You are here, and now you know. Allowing yourself to feel is what matters most.